Game won't open due to the Database Data Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. To begin our database data library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the database data library, frequently found in localized game repacks or specific database-driven applications. It manages the localized caching of game assets or licensing metadata. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually indicates a failed installation or an antivirus deletion. If missing, the game will usually crash on the first loading screen as it fails to initialize its data manifest. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The file, database data library DLL, is required for localized database orchestration to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the database data library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of database data library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for database data library references. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and database data library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.